I'm making grilled chicken. So I've been marinating this for like 2 good hours. Now I'm gonna transfer everything in my griller and then just try and bake it here slowly, and we'll see what's gonna happen. So if you're wondering what spices did I put, I just put my normal spices I always use, like black pepper, curry powder, Tanzanian curry powder, salt to taste, garlic and ginger. I also added paprika and cayenne pepper, and what else, turmeric, and I put small oil so it's gonna be nice and crispy on top. And you can hear my oven is on, so I'm gonna remove this, what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna shift my ready to bake in the oven.